What's up, friends? It's been about 2 weeks since I posted a video, and I think we're going to try to make these a little bit more frequent. So I'm trying to check in, give you guys a little bit of an update. Just got the Audi back from servicing in Cicero, and is there still an airbag light? We're gonna find out. All right, the sun is going down fast, so I'm gonna try to capitalize on some scenes here and head out. This is the current office space as far as the home base office. This is floor 2 at 1 South Broad Street. And it's, totally unfinished, but it's getting there. It's getting there. I'm just trying out some colors, seeing what I like. I really like how this stuff is coming out. So I've got like an urban theme going on in here a little bit. We got the Brooklyn Bridge and the New York City skyline. Excuse me. And the New York City skyline. So yeah, it's a little bit of a contrast to what's going on outside, which is the rural scene, which is super pretty still, but I see that every day. So I've got these here as a contrast. Everything in here is a huge work in progress. Got the electronics display here, some of my favorite stuff. Anyway, I won't show you too much about that because honestly, I don't know if anybody cares. But let's head out. I'm gonna grab our bag. Okay, for those that don't know, our warehouse is just like a mile down the road from our main offices at the M. And I just want to do one baby pull, just baby pull. Oh, okay. Looking like home. Here we are at the Live Event New York warehouse, and not much going on here at this particular moment. I have to do a walkthrough. I have to talk to a couple of the team members about a few things, and then we're actually headed back to the M. If you noticed, no more airbag light. That was taken care of at Audi Cicero in Syracuse, New York, and Cicero, New York. But it keeps coming back on. Every now and again, it'll pop back on and then back off. And it doesn't matter if there's someone sitting in the seat or if it's a backpack or what the case is. A lot of times it's just empty. So I am plagued by this airbag light. I'm kind of shocked that it's not on at the moment. I mean, this thing pops on and off all the time. I have an appointment for tomorrow morning, again at Audi Cicero, but I just don't want to go back. It's a 90-minute drive, so you know, for what? I mean, they keep telling me there's nothing wrong with it. I asked them straight up to fix it last time, like I would pay out of pocket to have it fixed if it wasn't a warranty thing, and they just cleared the code and drove it, and they're like, I assure you it's fine. And on the ride home, the thing popped back on. So anyway, it's not on at the moment. Fingers crossed it stays that way. Okay, so the main reason that I'm actually here right now is to drop off this Mario Kart game for Nintendo Switch. One of the things that we offer through our event services one of the things we offer is gaming services, and we offer Nintendo Switch stuff. So we're having a party in our showroom at 1 South Broad Street this coming weekend. We're going to be playing Mario Kart. I just had to get a fresh backup copy for us, and we're gonna open up a second Switch, get everything loaded and updated so that we have a backup in case something goes wrong. We did a Super Smash Brothers party 2 weekends ago. Super huge success. 8 people can play at once. Anyway, I won't talk too much about the event stuff because again, I don't know if you guys care or not, but anyway, yeah, dropping this off. Okay, that wraps everything up at the warehouse. Locking this up for the time being, and we'll be back later for some more creative projects. But I think we are headed back to the main office, and I think we have time for 1 or 2 more polls before it gets dark. was all digital. That thing is totally unreliable. That was totally 30 miles per hour. Are we gonna catch ourselves on the billboard? Blinker. Woo! That's what's up. Oh man, that's cool. Thanks to Park Outdoor for the awesome signage. All right, carry on. We're gonna wait for this car. We're gonna wait for you, buddy. All right, here we go. I'll silver. I'm gonna get a ticket for sure. I'm gonna chill the f out. All right, we are back in town, and we have fun outside of town, but we always keep it chill inside of town. Be respectful of our neighbors. We are right here on the corner after all. So back this thing up quick. A little one-handed parallel. Hopefully I don't curb rash those wheels. Although if I did, it would force me to buy some aftermarket, which maybe I should just do that. Okay, we are back at the M. Lights are starting to come on for the evening, and it is super nice out. It's like 70 degrees out this evening, which is super unseasonal for October. Probably means the climate is suffering drastically and dramatically, but it feels nice out anyway. Norwich, New York, looking very picturesque tonight. Okay, I think we're going to call it before it gets too dark this evening. I appreciate the support and enthusiasm over the projects as always. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one.